Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be showing you my current morning skincare routine in Australia. Currently in Australia it is the summer season, so it is hot here. So when I wake up in the morning I usually take it easy. I just kind of realize it's the morning and I should be awake. So I sit up and then I usually like to do some quick little morning in bed stretches. So I usually just stretch out my arms mainly and kind of come to a little bit. Then I always make sure to go do my bathroom routine, which always first includes me brushing my hair because my hair always knots so easily while I sleep. After I go and do that, it's time to move on to my morning routine outside of bedroom and bathroom, which is always having a tall glass of warm lemon water. This helps to activate the body and get things going. Then, as most of us get while we sleep, our face swells up. So for me, I've always had a problem where my nose swells up, my upper lip area around the nose, and my lower jawline. So I like to do some morning massages to help drain the fluid retention in the face that collects while I sleep. Usually people that sleep on their sides or on their stomachs will have this problem, but if you sleep on your back, you're less likely to have fluid retention in the face when you wake up in the morning. So doing these massages can really help to get that fluid and swelling in the face out before you start your day. So if you're ever concerned about having that puffy morning face, try doing some of these massages that I do. It really helps to de-swell the face quickly before you start your day. So I like to make these kitty paw hands and massage my jawline, just starting from the lower part of the chin and pulling my skin up and just kind of pressing and moving that fluid retention out and down towards my neck and ears. I also like to press on my nose as well because that helps get the swelling out, and then the lips I also like to do, and for me it's always around the nose area, so it's always the upper lip for me and never really the lower lip. So I just like to push and pull along the top, starting from the center and moving it outwards into my face to get that swelling out of there. There, instantly my face already looks a little less swollen. And because my skin is sensitive and doesn't need a lot of deep cleansing in the morning, I like to just take a really good toner or micellar water to cleanse my face with a cotton pad in the morning. This literally is all my skin needs in the mornings because it just gets away that oil buildup that collects while you sleep and wipes away the skincare from the previous night. And it also tightens and freshens your skin so it's ready for the skincare to come after. And for me, I always like to use an SPF 50 during the summer seasons, and then in the winter I generally use like a 40 or a 30, and this acts as my day cream during the warmer seasons. If it's the winter where you live, you can use a richer SPF as your day cream, and that really is going to keep your skin looking fresh and protected throughout the day, even in the winter or summertime. It's an essential for anti-aging skincare. Then I like to go in with a light hydrating moisturizer, and here I'm using Real Use Light Moisturizer because it's really good for hydrating the skin without being too heavy, while also being appropriate for those who have acne prone skin like me. And it's also really good for those with sensitive skin because it has really gentle, non-harsh chemicals in it. So it's a really nice and natural based, gentle, hydrating moisturizer for acne prone and sensitive skin. So I just apply a little pea-sized amount of that to my face, and that's literally like all my skin needs during the day in the warmer climate that I'm in. Then I just take whatever is left over and pull it down onto my neck. And that honestly is it for my current morning skincare routine. As you can see, it's really simple, and it focuses mostly on like depuffing the face and having that sun and SPF protection for my anti-aging benefits. I hope you guys liked it. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!